Hey everybody, it's Ricky Cucci with Plumber Rescue. I got another PSA here today. I'm at a customer that has a rental property and they want to change it out, the old three-handle style, to a single valve. That's the original one there. You can see it's real loose and the handles have fallen off and we have a hard time trying to find the right ones. So I'm going to show you guys a quick little video of before and after of us doing the work and what it's going to look like afterwards. All right, thank you, bye-bye. First thing you gotta do is cut this thing out. The oversized plate here has got a template on it usually, so you can cut. But you can see the little shower valve in there. They use galvanized piping in there, which is never good just because of rust. And then the wall's loose as well. So I wanted to show everybody what goes in after one of these, or what I like to put in. It's the Delta products. They're fantastic. Delta's the best to use. Their customer service is fantastic. They stand by their stuff. It's interchangeable. You'll always be able to find parts for it because it's so ubiquitous. Here's the rough-in shower valve. And then here's our kit here. First thing we're doing here is we're putting all the adapters on the rough-in valve. I use tape and dope when I'm doing it. Using female Depex adapters, and I also use a ProPress to copper female adapter. I've also soldered them on, but it's way easier using the ProPress. I think it looks pretty good there. Next we're gonna put in the cartridge. I always gotta use plumber's grease. Oh man, this thing was a beast to get on there. It just wasn't fitting on there very well. What ended up happening was the bolts were too long, so I had to trim them off. There we go, our test drive here. I think everything was working well. Yep, I think it turned out pretty good here. So anyway, that's how it goes. They usually are a little harder than that when there's tile work involved to cut. It's messier, as you can imagine, cutting that tile out. But that one went pretty smooth. But I always try to convince everybody, if you have a 2 or 3 handle valve inside your wall, get that thing out of there. It's time to get it out. The other thing I usually say is, if you have colored tiles in your bathroom, like avocado green or harvest gold or pink or blue, it's definitely time to get that thing out of there. They don't make those things anymore like that. But anyway, thank you guys. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.